Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and this is M. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing and review of the silicone case for the OnePlus 5T. Those of you who have been watching coverage here know that we have a Sandstone white OnePlus 5T in-house. So we have been doing a few case videos, and there'll be more to come. So this is the silicone case by OnePlus. Alright, so on the back here, you can see that it says it's for the OnePlus 5T silicone protective case. This is red. It does come in black as well. I just thought the red looked cool. It was a nice color considering that is OnePlus's original color. So thought it might look good with the white. So we'll find out. On the front it just says OnePlus 5T. And again, idiot proof packaging. Thank you. Alright, let's get into this. OnePlus typically makes really nice cases. They're not very bulky, as well as provide decent protection for day-to-day use. So the feeling here is really nice, super soft touch. Okay, inside the case there's suede or microfiber, whatever you want to call it, and it says just designed by OnePlus here. Okay, and it seems to be open at the bottom. So let's get the OnePlus in and see what's what. So here is our beautiful Sandstone white, and let's try it like this, more like the iPhone leather case. Okay, a little bit more of a snug fit, but there we go. Once it's in, we're good. So there's the back. Okay, looks really sharp. It's coming through as a little bit of a darker red. It's more of a brighter red, guys, just so you guys are aware. We've got the OnePlus logo here. Not sure if the light is going to be able to catch that. There's the fingerprint cutout and a cutout for your camera module. On the bottom, it's all open for all of your ports. Okay, you've got your headphone, mic, charging port, and speaker. On this side here, you've got just covering or embossing of your volume, and then you've got a cutout for your your mute vibrate switch, and then there's nothing on the top, and then power on this side. Alright guys, all in all, I think this is a beautiful case, and if you're going to be ordering a OnePlus, you may as well order a couple of their cases. They are pretty nice. They have a huge selection, so check them out. We will put a link in the description if you're interested. Otherwise, we appreciate you guys watching. And now we're out. Look at the blurriness. This is crazy, guys. Look, this is supposed to be the Note. There we go. There it is. Thanks for watching. Peace.